Here is how to do an impression of a chicken. Now this one's a little bit complicated, so I've written down some notes to help me. The first step is called bok-bokking. The sound that you make is called bok-bok. And whilst you make this sound, you flap your arms. I'll do the sound in a moment. You bob your head as well. And you should look surprised or confused. The sound is so let's put this together. So that's the first step. The second step is called the alarm call, and it is like this. I'll do the first step as well, and then I'll do the alarm call. I'm so used to doing the impression in sequence, it's hard to do it out of sequence. So here are the first two steps. See, at the end there, that noise was the alarm call. That's step 2. It's hard to remember off the top of my head. I always do the first step and then. So the final step is the walk, and this really adds a whole new dimension to the impression. So let me show you everything together. So that's everything together, and the final step there was the walk. Now there's another type of chicken impression you can do. This is the cock-a-doodle-doo, which is like this. Once more. A few more points. First of all, a chicken impression can be worked into a conversation, which gives you the initiative either to change the subject or end the conversation. There is nothing more disconcerting than having a conversation with someone who suddenly starts going So if you're having a conversation with someone and you find them to be boring or irritating, then I suggest that you work suddenly into the conversation. That will most likely confuse who you're talking to. They may stop talking. Like I said, this hands you the initiative. You can then either continue with your impression, or you can walk away. You can change the subject. At least you now have the initiative. Finally, if you're having a feud with a neighbor, then one way to get the upper hand is to buy a cockerel and put it in your garden if you have one, otherwise wherever you live. And then at 5 o'clock in the morning, it will make a very loud noise. And this will wake up your neighbor. Unfortunately, it will wake up you as well. But if you're willing to put up with that, then this would be a way of annoying your neighbor.